Hello YouTube, how are we doing out there today? My name's Alex.
Hello and welcome.
Hello and welcome.
Hello and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and this is my husband,
Alex.
And we are doing his Stitch Fix today. We put a pause on our Stitch Fix memberships because we moved recently and it just was easier to not receive those for a chunk of time, but obviously we are getting them again. Alex has his today and then mine is coming next week. They are back.
Here we are.
And we're excited about it.
I am. This box feels kind of heavy.
Yes.
There's probably some jeans in here. Always a pair of jeans in here for me.
So if you're not familiar, real quick, we'll run down what Stitch Fix is. If you are familiar with what Stitch Fix is, there will be a timestamp on the screen that you can go to just see the unboxing. For those of you who are still around and want to know just a tiny bit about what Stitch Fix is, it is a styling subscription service. You pay $20 a month as a styling fee for a stylist who works for Stitch Fix to pick out clothing items for you and send to you in a box straight to your home. You try on all of these items and then anything you choose to keep, that $20 styling fee does get applied to anything you choose to keep. They also have a referral program. I will leave Alex's link down below so that you can click on it. If you click on that link, then you do get $25 off of your first box, which is essentially your styling fee completely waived. So you can try Stitch Fix out risk-free, and shipping is free both ways. So anything you choose to keep, you pay for, and then anything you choose to send back, there is a mailer in here already prepaid, already pre-addressed. You just put things in there that you don't want to keep and you send it back, and you can choose to send everything back. There's also a discount if you choose to keep everything in the box, which I've done, you've done maybe once.
I've done once. And
I've done a couple times, so I think it's is it a 25% discount that you get? So it's just a pretty good chunk of money.
Yeah. You can also make exchanges if an article of clothing is in the wrong size.
When you sign up for Stitch Fix, you also fill out a really in-depth style profile. So it asks you all kind of questions, your size, your measurements, your preferences, and so it goes very in-depth, and I feel like it's pretty successful. Like, they know your style. I mean, for us, it's been pretty successful, and people that I know in my life, it might take a couple tries for them to get your style just right if you're kind of a pickier person, but for us, they kind of nailed it right on the head with our first boxes. Also, you can request specific things to be sent in your box.
I actually made a request in this box. Since I'm going back to school in a week or two, I requested some more shirts like this because I've really only got like 3. Nice, like collared, short sleeve, maybe even long sleeve. But yeah, collared button-up shirts.
Casual dressy shirts.
Hopefully they deliver.
Without further ado, let's go ahead and break on into this box. I'm pretty excited. It's been so long since we've done this.
It has been a while. First Stitch Fix in the new house. Okay, so as mentioned before, we have our prepaid mailer.
Yep.
So all you gotta do is put the clothes that you don't want to keep, or even the ones that you want to exchange for a different size, in there, fold it up, and drop it off at your local post office.
We do get an envelope in our Stitch Fixes. In here is a style guide, so your stylist shows you how to style the pieces of clothing that they sent you, and there's a pricing guide. We're not going to look at the pricing guide yet until we go through all of the clothes and get his first impressions. Our first impressions. There's also a note from his stylist in here, but again, we're going to save that until after we've looked at all of the pieces.
I like to take this piece of package right here, and I'll just undo that little piece of tape, and from here on out, I'm not going to look down. I like to keep it a surprise, so Jocelyn kind of gets the first look before me. She's impressed. Okay, this feels like it's gonna be a nice button-down shirt. And it is.
Oh, it's long sleeve though.
With small patterns, that's okay. You can roll long sleeves up. Especially,
it's a nice
let's see, does it has a nice inside, and that's what really counts.
This is a really nice dress shirt.
This is
you can wear this for sure to a wedding. Or just any nice
anywhere
casual
I want.
Dinner, a speech, if you have to give a speech in class.
Yeah.
So this is by the brand Heritage. We've gotten things from Heritage in the past. This is the Malvern Poplin shirt in the shade navy.
I'm impressed. Right out of the gate. Now I caught a little look on this, and I know it's some flannel. So
it is, but it's not.
It's a two-tone flannel.
I really, really, really like this.
I feel off the bat don't like flannels and short sleeves.
But oh my.
So this is gonna be interesting for me.
I really, really like this.
Okay.
I like the color. I like the texture of it. It looks expensive for some reason.
I'm not into it right away.
Could be. Oh,
but
look
we'll
at
see. What's it say?
Reversible 2-in-1 shirt. So this is the Taylor Vintage Blake Reversible Gauze Short Sleeve Shirt in the shade navy.
Okay, hold up. Now I'm intrigued. Okay, so the other side is looking to be a sort of gray. So boom. Here's shirt number 2. You can undo the buttons and redo them on this side.
Weird.
Okay.
I feel like I like it the other way.
Yeah, I bet that's gonna make it expensive though.
So this is the Taylor Vintage Blake Reversible Gauze Short Sleeve Shirt in the shade navy.
Oh, I broke my rule. I looked down. This looks nice though.
It does look nice.
A short sleeve, so I'm into that.
Ooh, this feels almost silky.
Yeah, can't really tell if it's red or blue.
This is by the brand WRK. It's the Mason ring printed linen short sleeve shirt in burgundy.
That's a mouthful, folks. I like this one.
Lightweight. Yeah, that seems nice.
Okay, I've also broken my rule. The second time now. And I see jeans. And I've always sent back my jeans, I swear.
No, you've kept some.
I've kept 2.
I feel like you've always sent back your black and gray jeans. I don't know if you've kept any black and gray
Haven't found
jeans.
the right pair of black gray jeans yet. These look too light for me. I like my jeans dark.
But I feel like those look really good.
They might.
Alright, what are these?
These might surprise me.
These are the A-frame Tate Slim Fit Jean 3232s. It says black, but they're quite not black.
Quite gray.
Ooh!
Wow, oh wow, I bet this is expensive.
Oh my god.
This might be the most comfortable quarter zip jacket ever.
Oh wow, this is like perfect for fall.
Yeah.
It's even thin enough that I feel like you could wear it under like bigger jackets.
Yep, I probably will in the wintertime. What do we got?
This is the 01 Algo Max Lightweight Quarter Zip Performance Fleece, dark gray.
Nailed it. Here we go.
All right, so we got our
dive on in.
Style guide. It says, well, hello there. And then on the inside, we've got all of our clothing, all of his clothing. There's also, so this is the note that Alex's stylist gave him. It is the same, Haley.
Haley's the one. Okay, so enough of the style guide, on to the prices.
All right,
Bum, 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 bum.
do you want to just me say an item and then you pick it and then I tell you how much it is? Or?
We'll try, just go in the order I drew them out of the box. So I'll hold up an item and you give me the price. Here we go. Ba-dum-ba-ba-ba. Shirt number 1, the Heritage.
All right, Heritage. That is one of the 2 cheapest items in the box.
Awesome. Okay.
They're all kind of expensive.
Awesome. How much for the Heritage?
You want to take a guess?
$36.
No.
$42.
No.
Oh no. How much?
$58.
Oh wow, that hurts. That really hurts.
She made this one up there. It's quite up there.
Okay, so next would be the gauze shirt. Taylor Vintage gauze shirt, $88.
You're close. This is a dumb price.
Is it $92?
No, you were too high.
Oh, is it $85?
No, $78.
$78.
$78.
It's a double-sided shirt though, so you get 2 in 1.
No, you wouldn't wear the other one. That is $78. It would have to be like the best.
I'm not keeping this.
All right, what is
Name
that?
your price on this one because I love this shirt. This better be the cheapest one.
It's the most expensive.
Item in the box? More than the pullover? The quarter zip?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What are we talking here? 90 bucks?
You're very close, but too far.
88.
88. $88. Fortunately, as I mentioned earlier in the video, we do have well, Alex and I both have referral links. I'm going to be putting Alex's referral link down below. And if you use that link, I don't remember if I mentioned earlier in the video, you get $25, but Alex also gets $25 for his next fix.
Yeah.
So he does have some credits to use. So thank you so much if you're someone who has used our referral links because it helps a lot. Okay, what do we got next?
The
pants?
jeans.
What are those?
These are A-frame. A-frame slim fits.
Those are the middle price.
How is a pair of jeans cheaper than a button-up?
I don't know.
What do we got here? 75?
They're close.
72.
Yes, 72
I'm good at guessing
bucks.
today.
That is, I feel,
more
expensive than maybe a standard pair of jeans. All right, and we got just the pullover.
Come on, pullover. Is this the cheapest thing in the box?
There are the 2 of the cheapest, and that is one of them. So it's 58.
Oh, they're the same price?
They're the same price. So the total price of everything without any kind of discounts is $354.
Oh man.
which is a lot. If we were to decide to keep everything, he would get a 25% discount, which would be $88.50 off, which basically means you get something for free. The total then would be $265.50, and of course your styling fee gets applied to your order. So he would only owe $245.50, and then his credits get applied also.
Well, let's just jump right into this here.
TryOn.
Little mini fashion show. Whoa! I've changed. All right, well, here we are. I'm wearing shirt number 1, the long sleeve. It's nice.
It does look really nice.
Probably something you want to tuck in, I imagine. Guess you can still kind of wear it half casual because it's got the little
Ooh,
tab
I didn't even notice that. I like that a lot.
These jeans are dangerously comfortable.
Oh, could she finally have... Oh, but you didn't like the gray.
It's all right. I don't mind it. It'd be nice to have a gray pair of jeans and a black pair of jeans.
That are comfortable and look good.
These are really comfortable.
Yeah, they look like they hit a good length. How's everything feel sitting down?
Feels nice.
Yeah?
Like I can like bend my whole leg up like this and this is no problem. The shirt looks good.
Shirt does look good.
Might even like unbutton it and have an undershirt under it or something.
Okay, first 2 pieces are winners. Oh boy.
Let's put on the other shirt.
Ooh.
I don't like it.
Oh, really?
I'm not a fan. It's too big.
Yeah, I guess I can see that. It looks a little...
I feel like,
yeah, no, you're right.
Just feel like a farm boy. I don't know. It's not my style. I don't dig it.
Well, that's good, I guess, because it's the most expensive thing by a long shot.
Yeah, like, and I would never... No. On to the next one. Alright, here we are.
You have some thoughts about that shirt, huh?
I have some thoughts about this shirt. I don't really like when there's a button, when the only 2 button options are way down here and way up here, you know?
Ooh, that actually looks really nice.
Felix, what do you think of it? I like it. I don't know. It's definitely not the softest, like, most comfortable thing ever. It kind of has, like, this terry cloth feel to it. I don't know.
Maybe not $70 or $88 worth.
I would like it to be more comfortable for $88.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks nice, don't get me wrong.
It looks, yeah, it looks really nice, but if you don't love wearing it, oh, that's nice.
I mean, I like wearing it, but yeah, I don't know if I love wearing it.
All right, we just have the pullover.
So I'll just slip this on right now. I don't think I would ideally wear it over a shirt like this, but who knows? Okay, so it's got a lot of stretch to it.
That's kind of nice.
It's long enough, which I like. I love quarter zips. I love them.
That's nice, yeah.
I will be keeping this.
Oh.
I can tell you that.
Our first absolute.
This is an absolute. Everything else is up in the air. Okay. Well,
all right.
Back to my normal clothes, and we'll wrap this up.
All right, and we're back for some final thoughts.
That's right, folks.
The only one that we're 100% sure about right now is the pullover, which I think is really great. You don't really have any pullovers like this.
No.
Perfect neutral color.
Fall time.
Extremely comfortable. Like, I could see myself putting that on.
No. And it's great because it's, since it doesn't have a hood, it can be worn under a jacket with a hood as an extra layer.
Oh, yeah.
That way you don't have to double up your hood and look like a weirdo. That's a plus for me. And I love quarter zips. Yeah, neutral tone. Comfortable. Sleeves are great length for me. It's all around just like perfect fit for me, perfect color for me. And I don't really have anything like it, so that's why it's a keeper for me. Now my second item, this is the thing I want to keep the most. Oh, also the pants. The pants! I really like the pants in this long sleeve.
The 3 that you're looking at the most are the least expensive out of the 5.
Very nice. I've done well then. That's the best you can ask for, I guess. That being said, definitely not keeping this. I do not like...
Wasn't that the most expensive?
That's the second most.
That one was $78.
I don't like this reversible side. I don't like the size of it. I don't really like the style of it.
I just realized the thing you asked for was short sleeve button-up dress shirts.
With small patterns on them.
This is essentially, yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
and they're the only two things she sent were those, and they're the only 2 things you're sending back. Well, maybe.
That is unfortunate. I do have to send this shirt back, though.
Yeah.
It is too expensive and it is not comfortable.
It looks really good.
It looks really nice, and I would love to wear it. I would wear it if it was cheaper and if it was softer on the inside, but it's really scratchy. It's very itchy.
It's a no from me, dog.
So, keeping the pullover.
The pullover, yes.
Keeping the jeans. Still making up my mind about this long sleeve shirt. Probably gonna be a yes. Okay, so as you can see, I'm now wearing this shirt because I needed to try it on one more time to see how I really felt about it. And I like it, so it's official. Keeping this shirt, the jeans that I'm wearing, and this awesome quarter zip pullover.
All right.
So,
thank you, Alex, for coming on my channel and unboxing your Stitch Fix. This is the umpteenth one. I don't know how many we've done. We've done a handful on my channel already.
This might be my 4th one on the channel.
I will leave our other videos linked down in the description box. So if you'd like to check out more of our unboxings, feel free to do so. My Stitch Fix unboxing, my newest one, should be coming up here in about the next week or so. If you'd like to not miss out on that one, definitely consider subscribing. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below. And I think that's everything we have for you today.
Make sure that you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Hello, Instagram family.
You have something in your teeth.
What a struggle.
Are you finished?
Yeah, got it all out of my system. Wow.
Timestamp on the screen where you, oh, I said scream. A timestamp on the screen. Oh my god. Screen. Scream.
Scream.
On the screen. If you are, okay, I'm ready. Hold on. Okay.
Oh, is that your every time line?
Yeah. That was really nice. Really nice pets.
Yeah, give me more.